the time had come to paint the inside of the camper. So Amelia's parents volunteered their time and skills to come out all the way from Michigan and help us paint Penelope.
What do you think?
It's like putting it
In 3 days, it'll be a different beast.
Yeah, we can work with this. Set a few nails. Looking forward to it.
It's another family work day. We've got my dad over here. Hello, Dad. Say hello.
Hi, folks.
We've got Davey working on the ceiling. My mom is up here. It's very good for her back. So she's cleaning and masking out the ugly brown mechanism we have here that we're going to do black. And we wanted to get that sprayed before the walls get painted. We are going to spray all of the metal window frames black so those can get put in. Hopefully we'll have a really long, nice, successful work day. Doesn't the world know I'm spray painting? Look, there's leaves all over my spray paint.
It looks like a pink birthday party in here.
Oh, it is kind of.
All right, paint and primer. It is satin black. I'm gonna put this on the metal. Here we go. You find a little cozy seat on the ground there, Mom?
I did.
All right, what else is there? You're writing it
There's
on
a few
a
more
very
things.
normal sized piece of paper.
It is. It's about my size.
Hey, sweetie.
What you up to?
Getting the first level of caulk on.
We hired this pro painter right here. He is getting paid $0.00. He also happens to be my father. You painted as a kid, right? Houses?
I did. I painted for college tuition. in
For
summers.
medical school, right?
Yes.
So he painted houses to pay for medical school, and now he's painting our RV for fun.
And it's a
In his
riot.
retirement.
Yeah. Refurbishing old skills here.
Yeah.
All right.
Go
this
for
is
it.
wonderful. It's coming together.
Before there was a cabinet here that you wouldn't have been able to stand here before, so having this recaptured real estate is pretty awesome.
And that cool architecture.
It reminds me of the birth of a boat.
That comfy?
It's cozy in here. I think cozy. I feel like a bear in a cave.
Alright. It's a good dad right there. It is getting much brighter in here. say? Pretty impressed with my technique. It curves all the way down over there. That is a 16-foot board that we got in this little SUV.
Oh.
Folding. All right, keep it going.
All right, now we need people.
This is on this side.
Yep, should be.
What looks wrong?
Crap, what happened here?
What the?
What the is going on?
Oh,
Oh, no, these are down here.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's liquid gun it.
Liquid gun it.
Liquid nail it. Right?
All right, liquid gun it, Ma. She's a professional. I like the amount you put there. That's good.
It's gonna get studs, right?
It's gonna get studs!
He's not in the way.
She said it's gonna get studs.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
She's learning like 50% of the words, and then she's just using them randomly, hoping that it works.
With your mittens on.
Mittens!
No, I didn't want you to wipe it. I want you to spread it.
Put your finger right there.
Everybody's a joker. Big joker. It's like it's spitting out at me. All right, that was good. Okay, next. Look at that. Sure looks like that's where it goes. Okay, maybe the under window came out later. All right. So this is C, she says.
I think it looks good. Oh, okay. Let me just get a pencil and I'll just chalk it in.
She's good.
Just go worker.
All right, let's put that back up so I can put the pencil in. And here, we just finished our final touch-ups on the white. And so this is completely painted. And as you can see, I've masked off the kitchen cabinets. And that's gonna be the last thing that we have to paint for this camper. These are my parents, and they just helped us paint this entire camper. And we got all the molding up, we got it prepped and primed and painted, and
Record time.
couple days. They were here, what, 3 days? 4 days?
Yeah,
4 days.
yeah.
That flew.
And the whole camper's painted.
There's a lot of work. But you did all the heavy lifting with the solvents, with the sparks flying, with the grinder, in the spray booth,
In the spray booth.
You did great, you
Thank you
guys.
guys.
and we made it pretty.
Thanks.
We made it pretty.
See you soon, you big bamboo.
Sweet girl.
Don't let us go. You guys are crazy. Help! Love you.
Love you too.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome. You're welcome. We gotta go. We'll never go. Okay, the heck with you.
It feels so good to have the inside of the camper painted. We are making moves, ladies and gentlemen, so keep up with us. Hit that subscribe button. You're gonna see the U-shaped dinette that turns into a bed, that turns into a breakfast nook. You're gonna see custom shaker cabinets. We have so many fun things to share with you guys coming up, so hit that subscribe button and follow along.
We'll see you next time.